Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FMA. Today I'm gonna explain about my part in FMA, which is Factory and Machinery Act, Part 11. The title is Demolition. So let's go. So the number of sections. So in this part, there actually has 12 sections, which is from the section 99 to 100 to the section 110. So we go to the first section, which is section 99, warning sign. So on every demolition job, danger shall be conspicuously around the property. So dekat sini dia menerangkan setiap kerja-kerja pemusnahan perlulah diletakkan tanda amaran di sekitar kawasan yang ingin dimusnahkan. Ini kerana supaya orang ramai dapat tahu kawasan itu ingin dirobohkan dan kawasan itu berbahaya. So second point is all the doorways or thoroughfare giving access to property shall be kept barricade. So ini diterangkan macam setiap pintu keluar masuk atau pintu keluar masuk perlulah diberi akses untuk kepada properti. Mestilah dia ada hadangan ataupun hadangan lah, macam wall, macam tu. So second section ada section 100, which is preparation. So kat sini dia ada 3 point. So the first point, before commencing any demolition work, or all the glass in exterior operating shall be removed. So dekat sini dia terangkan setiap kerja-kerja pemusnahan, sebelum kerja-kerja pemusnahan, perlulah alihkan semua barangan kaca ataupun barang-barangan yang tajam sebelum dimusnahkan. Second point is all the gas, electric, water, steam and other supplies line shall be shut off and kept. So barang-barang yang gas, elektrik, air ataupun benda lain perlulah ditutup ataupun dimatikan dan dialihkan tempat yang selamat. So for this section, the last point is the relevant authorities involved shall be notified in advance. So dekat sini pihak atasan perlulah diberi notis advance sebelum kerja-kerja pemusnahan dijalankan, macam mendapatkan pengesahan kerja-kerja pemusnahan yang bakal berlaku. Section 101, projection of adjacent structure. So satu point je di sini, during the demolition of any structure, the employers performing such demolition shall be examine the wall of all structure adjacent to the structure which to be demolished. So dekat sini macam pekerja perlulah examine, macam memperhatikan ataupun menyelidik dinding-dinding setiap sudut yang bakal dimusnahkan. So section 102, demolition of wall, partition or other else. The point number 1 is demolition shall proceed in a systematic manners. Masonry shall neither be loosened nor permitted to fall in such a mass No walls, chimney, or other structure or part of the structure shall be left unguarded in such a condition that may fall due to wind pressure or vibration. Point number 4 is in demolition by hand of the exterior wall. Safe footing for the employee shall be provided in form of sound flooring or scaffold. Section number 5 pula, minta maaf ya. Point number 5 is demolish by hand shall not be left standing more than 1 story height above the uppermost floor on which man. So section 103, inspection. So during the demolition, continuing inspection shall be made by designated person as work as progress to detect any hazard to employee resulting from weakened or deteriorate floors or walls. Second point is no employee shall be suffered or permitted to work where such hazard exists unless they are corrected. So point number 1 ni dia menerangkan setiap kerja-kerja permusnahan perlulah diberi inspection berterusan. Kerja-kerja inspection ni yang diberi kepada orang-orang yang terlatih lah, macam designated person, macam SHO ataupun Triple S, ataupun dia punya supervisor. So the second point ni, tak ada pekerja yang patut bekerja di mana hazard berada, kecuali hazard tu telah diperbentukkan, sebab kita pun ada langkah-langkah untuk mencegah hazard. Tak semua hazard yang kita yang ada kita dapat musnahkan. Sebab itulah kita boleh perbentukkan tapi hazard tu tak ada. So section 104, method of operation. So dekat sini ada satu point, debris, bricks and others material shall be removed. So kat sini contoh dia ada dua, satu A, by means of chutes, buckets or hoist, bagi A, dan B ni through opening in the floor. So section 105 and 106, access and opening floor. There shall be provided at all times safe access to and egress from every building in the course of demolition. Second point is the opening shall be barricaded, that no person shall have access within a horizontal distance of 6 meters from any opening. So section 107, demolition of structure steel. So there has 3 points here. And the point number 1 is all steel structures shall be demolished column length by column length and tier by tier. So dekat sini semua struktur besi perlulah dimusnahkan satu persatu, macam by column length, macam panjang kolom dengan panjang kolom ni perlulah dimusnahkan satu persatu, macam ada tier by tier, macam ni ada level by level untuk dimusnahkan. So second point is every structure shall every structure member shall not be under any stress other than its own weight. So dekat sini dia menerangkan setiap structure member macam column, beam, lagi footing ke semua, kalau kita nak musnahkan, dia tidak berada dalam keadaan yang stres. Lebih daripada dia punya berat sendiri, so pressure dia sendiri, so supaya dia tak harm any person yang nak merobohkan dia, nak memusnahkan dia. So the third point is large structural member shall not be thrown or dropped by the building. So apa structure member yang besar tidak seharusnya dijatuhkan ataupun sengaja dibuang daripada building ataupun daripada tempat yang tinggi, kerana yang ini dapat membahayakan orang-orang yang berada di bawah. Contohnya, mana tahu dia punya pekerja ada lalu ke, so benda tu boleh terjadinya accident macam tu lah. So section 108 which is storage of material. The material shall not be stored on the catch and scaffold, platform, floor or stairways of the building being demolished. Second point is, except the floor of the building may be used for the temporary storage of the material. So dekat sini macam tadi saya cakap kan, ada bahan-bahan yang perlu dialihkan tidak seharusnya ditempatkan di mana tempat itu akan dimusnahkan, kecuali barang-barang yang perlu digunakan untuk temporary sahaja. So section 109 which is barricade catch platform and warning sign. So kat sini dia ada 3 point. So the first point is, every sidewalk or thoroughfare bordering demolition operation there shall be erected and substantial barricade. Second point is, during the demolition of an exterior masonry wall or roof from the point more than 12 meter above, the requirement of the regulation 43 di mana kawan-kawan saya telah terangkan tentang regulation 43 ni. So section 43, regulation or section sama saja. So shall be provided and maintained at a level not more than 6 meter below the working level except exterior building up scaffold. So the last point is, suitable warning shall be put up. So the last section for the part 11 is section 110, which is mechanical method of demolition. So the point is, the use of a swing weight, clamp, shell, bucket, power shovel, bulldozer or the contrivance for the purpose of demolition shall be accordance with the following requirement. So itu sahaja daripada saya. Saya Muhammad Arif beruskan ingin meminta maaf kalau ada salah dan silap saya. Thank you very much for watching the video. So don't forget for subscribe and like the video. Thank you.